One thing that I appreciate whenever I have a website that has some kind of token is that it has the ability to mask it by default. So that way, if I'm taking a screenshot or doing a screen share or something, I'm not immediately exposing my token. And if I ever need to grab that token, I can just click the little eyeball, it'll then show that token, and I can hide it when I'm done. And this has a lot of benefits, so whether you are exposing any kind of token or if there's any kind of personal identifiable information that might be sensitive to prying eyes, then it's a good idea to do something like this. So in this episode, we're going to create a reusable stimulus controller that we're going to be able to create this mask, as well as the eyeball, which will show the token and then also hide it. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.